Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon. I'll be showing you how I made my butterfly kaftan top, and I'll be needing just 1 yard of fabric to make this. This is a chiffon fabric, that's what I'll be using. You might be needing more than one yard of fabric actually. And don't forget, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell. You can also follow us on Facebook, on Instagram at Africa TV, and follow me on Facebook, on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Now you're going to make yours and you're going to post it on our Facebook page, Kharis Kreations. You're going to get people to like your pictures and subscribe to our new entertainment channel, Naija in TV. The link is on the description below. Get people to like your picture, and the person with the highest like gets a reward. This is going to end on 31st of July 2019. So start working. Get people to like your picture, subscribe to our entertainment channel, Naija in TV. So let's move on. Okay, this is a yard of fabric. I'm using just 1 yard of material, and that is because the length I want is 30 inches, and the fabric I'm working with is the length of 60 inches. So this length is 30 inches. And also you can measure from the middle back to the point where you want your top to stop. That's on the sleeve. You just measure to the point wherever you want it to stop. Now folded my fabric into two, giving me the length of 30 inches, and I'm also going to fold this into two, so automatically I have 18. Remember, it is a yard, that's 36 inches, so I have 18 inches. I really don't need much measurements here, so I'll just take 6 inches at the base. Just 6 inches is what I'm taking, and from here I'm going to slant to about, this is like 12 inches down, 12 inches. So not really a slant measurement, a slant shape, because from here I don't want it to have a sharp edge. So it's more like me bringing out as a curve, then straight down to the 6 inches. So like this. All right, so as you can see, and I'll divide this. So that's it. That's it. We are done with the cutting, left with joining. Welcome back. So all I'm going to do here is to fold on the sides. I'm going to fold this side, the base too, and I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so this is my material. Now bringing the straight parts together, I'm going to fold these all the 4 edges so that I'll fold it into 2 like this, as you can see now. Make sure it is equal. This is equal. The next thing I'm going to work with, I have 4 buttons, and I have my hand needle and thread. So you're going to measure down the neck depths, the depth you want, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inches to your desired measurements. So I'll be working with 9 inches. So this is my 9 inches. So my first button will come here. This is how my fabric is folded. So this first 2, this is the front, then this is the back. So my first button, I'm going to tack my button. So I'm sure you can see better. I need to tighten it. So it's just the button that will do the work. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to repeat that on the back, on the other side of my material. This is folded. I've worked on this, so I'm working on the other 2. Now I'm going to measure the distance from the first button. I'm going to measure 4 inches. Let me tighten this. That's the first button. So the distance between this and the next one, I'll measure 4 inches. You can make it 5 inches, 6 inches. It all depends on your choice. So I'm working on this point. I'm going to fix the next button here. So just follow the same process and then you're done. Alright, so you follow the same process to fix the other side of the blouse. Okay, so we are done and we have the front and the back. So this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. That was interesting and fun anyway. Okay, Don't forget, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And you can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. And don't forget to start working, because you need people to like your pictures on our Facebook page, Kharis Kreations, and also subscribe to our entertainment channel, Nigeria in TV. The person with the highest like has a reward, and that is going to end on 31st of July 2019. So till I see you next class, stay cool.